Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made over my dining room. This is what the dining room looked like before, and I have done everything to this dining room I want to do to it, which I'm going to show you in a minute, except for changing the light fixture because I'm still looking for the one that I really want. So guys, if you love home decor, decorating, or if you're trying to turn your house into a home, go ahead and click the subscribe button right now so you don't miss out. Now here's what the dining room looks like now. I absolutely love it. I went with gold, silver, creams, and whites. I'm just blown away with how this came out. I can't wait to have the first dinner in here. I'm already planning it. So guys, I'm going to show you around the room. I'm going to put where everything came from in the description box. And if you have any questions about anything that you see in the video, let me know in the comments and I'll be glad to answer you. So guys, I changed the floors. The rug right here, that is from Ross. I had that from when I was in my other house. Because if you don't know, I bought another house and I'm making over this entire house. So I'm going room by room. So here is another room. If you're interested in seeing makeovers, room makeovers, definitely subscribe for that because that's what this channel is all about right now. So on the table, I went with gold and silver like I was telling you. So the entire table is gold, silver, and white, and I absolutely love everything on here. This big ginger jar that you're going to see in a minute is from is from ZGALLERIE, but everything else is basically from HOMEGOODS. But like I said, I'll put everything in the description box. So over here, these pillows right here, the gold pillows, gold accent pillows, they are from Macy's.com, and I don't think they're available right now. I think they only have these pillows available like once a year, like in the May time frame. But if I can find the link, I'll put it in the description box. The chairs are from the ATHOME store. I've had those for about 5 years. That plant in the corner, you're going to get a better look at that. That is not real. That is from Amazon. And I'm going to show you what is over here behind the table. This wall art right here, it is absolutely stunning. It is from Ross and I've had it for a while, but I've seen it in Ross several times since I bought this. On either side of the picture, I have the Asper wall sconces from ZGALLERIE, and I still need to put some candles in there. I'll do that eventually. But I love the way the gold of the wall sconces kind of go with the gold around the picture. These two vases right here are from Tuesday Morning. And for those who chimed in on the bathroom video on whether or not you had Tuesday Morning in your area, I appreciate you letting me know because I thought it was a local store. But I do appreciate you guys letting me know. Plant in the corner here, this is from Amazon and I'll have the link in the description box. This is a bird of paradise, and it looks relatively real. I know nothing about keeping plants alive, so I always go with the artificial plants because I don't want to kill any plants today. The clock over here on the wall is from Tuesday Morning. I believe it was $29.99. So it wasn't bad at all because it's huge. I don't know if you can tell or not from the video. So this is just an overview of what the dining room looks like. That table is from, it can be found on Wayfair. But I actually bought that from someone off of Facebook Marketplace. But that can be found on Wayfair as well. Too much of emotion. On the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight when everything seems so good. So guys, I hope you're being safe out there and keeping yourself and your family safe because I'm hearing so much on the news about the COVID numbers going back up and some people are not taking the vaccine and some people are taking the vaccine. Honestly, I took the first shot of the vaccine. I did not get the second shot of the vaccine. Now I'm considering going to get it. The only reason why I didn't take the second shot is because on the first one I had extreme side effects where I had to go to my doctor. So that was the thing that kind of I was shying away about getting the second one, but now that all of this is going on, I think I am going to get it. If you are comfortable sharing, let me know your opinion about getting the vaccine. I think I am going to go ahead and get the second one, but let me know what you think if you're comfortable sharing that. I just want to be safe. But the planter that plant is sitting in is from HOMEGOODS. It is from HOMEGOODS. I actually found that at HOMEGOODS in Atlanta when we went to Atlanta in February. And I got a small one, and then there's a bigger one to that as well. That is upstairs that you'll see eventually once I get done. The next room after this is going to be the family room. The family room is the next place. These lamps right here are from HOMEGOODS, and I like the way they have like the 2 chains where you can put 2 light bulbs in it. It just gives off more light, and I do like that. These vases are so different and interesting. I just had to get those. So I'm definitely loving the look of everything in here. When the guys moved my buffet server in, they cracked it. So I'm going to do a video showing you how I fixed that. Yes, they put a little bit of a small crack in it. I don't know if anybody saw it or not, but I'm going to do a video showing you how I'm going to fix that. Okay, this beautiful lamp over here with all these crystals hanging down, and it's got a chrome base to it, is from, you guessed it, HOMEGOODS. And it was, I think it was like $99, or it might have been $79, but it was a great deal. I've been looking for something like this for a really long time, and I wanted to put this in the dining room, and I was so happy when I saw it. So it really looks beautiful over there. Now over on the other side, I have these sheer curtains, which I've had for a few years, and I got these from Tuesday Morning. They are 108 inches long, and I think I actually got a pair for $20. $20 a pair, yep. And I did get 2 pairs of those. This wall art in the middle, that is from Ross. I think that was like maybe $9.99. Over here, I love the way the clock looks on this wall. It doesn't need anything else on the wall. It's got a somewhat of a modern flair, but I'm finding myself attracted to more modern items now, so that's interesting. So guys, I have so much more on the end of this video. I'm going to show you the before again, then I'm going to show you the after, and at the end of the video I'm going to have another video that you can watch in my home makeover series. So definitely stick around for that, and I will see you in the next one.